All right, good morning, YouTube. Day 5. I forgot to do a day 4 in day, but kind of just cover what happened. Got this pulled out, and I think today we're going to try to just get it even, maybe get some paint on it. So one of the fender on the side, the door for this one. Probably going to work on this and get this buttoned up. So whenever this is done, it can just go on. But did get this fender attached, and we got this door on. Still need to put the mirror on. Waiting on some mirror caps from the company. The one they sent me was a little messed up, but it's okay. They corrected, and they're going to send me a new one. I'll probably get this door card put on, and yeah, button this up. Maybe, yeah, I'll probably button this up. A little hard to see. You can kind of see it, but I'll have to adjust this door as well, so maybe we won't button it up. But the door's got to come down some, so that'll be my project today. And then also, we got the side skirts on. They are quite massive. This is the 3D style, so like the OEM. Little issue with them. The stock ones, the stock side skirt, it's like recessed here. So for this, we'll have to probably cut these tabs up just so we can fit the holes that are already there. So we'll know that'll fit good. Stay tuned. Alright, finish this whole side.
I won't say much on the camera, but
Got the door card back in.
so at the SEMA show too, they have all these classes, right? I don't know if I told you.